Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is me, from I Like Everything, and this is my first Final Cut Pro editing tutorial. So I'm pretty good at editing, but I don't like to put it on YouTube. I don't put that much because, like, I usually record at my home, so it's not a studio or something. So I don't want to reveal my location or home. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is get straight into the editing. So if you want, you can put some text, video, like I'm putting in video, like image. It's not moving, but like mostly I'm gonna do this text effect before in video or in between of a video. So you can consider this as this is a video, but it's not. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is taking basic tile. So the more stable it is, it's the more better because then it's easier to draw mask it, like as I'll show it to you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stretch this out a little bit. Then I'll just actually first I'll write something in this. I'll write I like everything. Oh no! So yeah, I just noticed I didn't do that. And then over here, I'm gonna just take a black thing. I literally forgot how we should do that black thing, but yeah, so don't get me wrong, like I'm new, but I know this, pretty used to this, and it's Final Cut Pro 10, so I think it's the second latest version. I haven't updated it, so that's fine. As you can see this, so over here, right over here, I'm gonna cut this right here and roughly where this starts, so it's gonna be a video. Then I'm gonna zoom into this because like it's really easy for me when I do that. So then I'm gonna go to mask, draw mask, like drag it into this one. Then like you get this control point thing, and it's like like I guess I'm adding those. I don't know. Yeah, I actually. So even if it's not perfect, it's pretty good because it doesn't need so much of perfection. Sometimes you'll need it if it's a long text or something and there's a harsh background or something, because like mostly in text I think it doesn't matter. Like I just prefer draw masking it out because sometimes you have a different type of text, because like it actually it doesn't literally even matter if you don't even draw mask. So like that's a rough draw mask I did. So then we're gonna keep it like that. Then we're just gonna go to all, then search for oh no, what is it? Okay, I'm gonna search for bad TV. Bad TV. Okay, so this is the glitch effect. As you can see, it looks pretty dope. So as you can see this, so it's pretty good and I like this very much. And then you can put some transitions like the super zoom, slide left, right, it's pretty cool. I think it won't make an effect. Yeah, it made it. So it's pretty cool. I like this transitions. I got them for free. So I'm gonna also tell you to put how to put sound effects. So you're gonna go to static essence. So that's what I like for this glitch effect. So as you can see this, that was too loud. So this one right here is the one which is good, I guess. I can use this. So I'm gonna put it right here. But like, it's not gonna suit them. I guess it does, but like you can remove the screaming out of it, just take this part, which I will like. It's like that literally goes in my head so bad. So I'm gonna keep it right here. And I'm gonna just duplicate option, Wait a second, what's that going on? Yeah, so I guess this is good. Yeah, that was pretty good. Add some more, I guess. This is the last one. Yo, it was actually proper. So I'll show the final result to you in full screen, and then I'll just end the video. So yeah, I'll just cut it right here. Come on. So that was my editing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace.